Okay, for today we will discuss about the one of the motor control, which is the one of the basic, the direct online motor control. So we'll discuss first the application of the direct online. In spite of its advantages, simple equipment, high starting torque, fast start, low cost, direct online starting is only suitable when the power of motor is low compared to that of the mains, which limits interference from inrush current. The machine to drive does not need to speed up gradually or has a damping device to limit the shock of starting. The starting torque can be high without affecting machine operation or the load that is driven. So itong direct online is applicable to sa mga industrial power system, including some of the commercial. So this one of the example of my schematic diagram of the direct online motor control, which is at 440 volts AC supply, 3-phase 60 Hz. So I will discuss first the one by one of the component of this schematic diagram. This one is the breakers, then the magnetic contactors, the overload relay, the motors, the fuse, the local remote selector switch, the stop push button, the start push button, the contact the relays, the sum of the relays, the coil of the magnetic contactor, the pilot light, red light, green light, yellow light, and then the coil of the overloads. So this one is the marshalling cabinet, PLC cabinet for the remote operation through PLC. Then I will discuss later the simulation of the direct online motor control using the AKTS software. So for the meantime, I will explain this one. So this one is in a normal operation, which is the motor is at standstill, so no operation. So meaning this one green light will be lit since this one is a normally closed of the magnetic contactor. So when start push button and start, then this K1 will be energized, then it will permanently lodge, then this K1 also become normally closed, then the magnetic contactor, the coil of the magnetic contactor will energize, then it will close this one, the magnetic contactor, then it will run continuously the AC motors. So that's the simple explanation of that direct online motor control. So when there's a fault, so the overload relay, this one, the protection for the motor. When there's a fault, example there's a overcurrent, then the overload will trigger, then this one, the coil of the overload will energize, then we'll close this one, then the yellow light will lit, meaning there's a problem with the AC motor. So I will simulate this one using the AKTS software. The element used this one is the contactor, the 3-phase supply, the lamp, the neutral for only simulation of the 110 volt supply, since this is only a sample software. This one is 3-phase induction motor, the start button, the stop button. Okay, I will try this one. I will start. Okay, this one, the motor is running. Then I will stop. So you can see the pilot light will change as start and stop. Okay, so that's the simple operation of the direct online. So thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more electrical engineering related videos. Thank you.